Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain the APFC-312, which is an AC relay used for automatic power factor correction in capacitor bank panels. We have connected the power supply on terminals L and N, which supports input voltage from 100 to 270 volts AC. On the top side, terminals L1, L2, L3 and N are for your three-phase voltage input. The next terminals are for your CT connections. R phase CT, Y phase CT, B phase CT. And on this side, you have the capacitor CT terminals marked as CA, CB, etc., where your capacitor side CT wires will be connected. At the bottom, you have the relay contact terminals. The common terminal is provided here, and from there you can connect your capacitor bank contactor calls. To enter the settings menu, press and hold the set key until pass appears on the screen. Enter the password 10. As per your unit, press set again. The first option is the main CT ratio. Our main CT is 125 by 5 ampere. So we will set the value to 125. Press set. Next is the capacitor CT value. Here you must enter the kilovolt ampere reactive per step or the CT ratio used on the capacitor side. You can set the required value using the arrow keys. Press set. The next parameter is the minimum current required for APFC switching. For example, if the secondary of your CT gets 30 milliamperes, the APFC relay will start operating. This prevents false switching when current is very low. Press set. To configure capacitor bank logic, press set until pass appears. Enter the password 15. Press set. You will now see 3 operating modes. Kilovolt ampere reactive mode achieves your set power factor in a single step by selecting the closest capacitor value. Intelligent mode switches capacitors step by step to reach the target PF smoothly. Manual mode. You can manually turn on off each capacitor step using the arrow keys. Select the mode you prefer and press set. Now you can enter the kVAR values of each step. If you have capacitor CT installed, select CCT and the relay will automatically measure each capacitor value. Since we do not have capacitor CT connected right now, we will manually feed the value of each capacitor. Step 1, 1 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 2, 1 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 3, 1 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 4, 1 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 5, 2 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 6, 5 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 7, 5 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 8, 7.5 kilovolt ampere reactive. Step 9, 10 kilovolt ampere reactive. Steps 10, 11, 12, 0, not installed. Press set after each value. Your target PF, set PF, is also shown here. Our current set PF is 0.98. Press set to continue. You can now monitor required kilovolt ampere reactive, capacitor bank on status, capacitor currents, total current, total kilovolt ampere reactive, total kilovolt ampere reactive, apparent power, phase-wise current, R, Y, B, phase-wise voltage, individual capacitor step status. Right now, the step 4 capacitor is on, and the relay shows 998 and the total capacitor bank value on the screen. So this is the complete wiring and parameter explanation of the APFC-312 relay. Thank you for watching.